Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to buy from Binance P2P. First, ensure your Binance account is fully verified, as this is a crucial security step for all transactions. Next, add your preferred payment methods to your profile, like bank transfers or digital wallets, so you are ready to trade. Finally, take a moment to understand the unique risks and benefits associated with peer-to-peer trading before you begin. Now, let's find a seller. Head over to the P2P trading section on Binance. You can easily filter offers by the cryptocurrency you want, the amount you wish to spend, and your chosen payment method. Always look for sellers with a high completion rate and positive reviews to ensure a smooth and reliable transaction experience. This helps build trust. Once you've selected an offer, enter the exact amount of cryptocurrency you wish to buy. You will then receive the seller's payment details. Proceed to transfer the funds directly to their account using your chosen payment method. After completing the transfer, remember to confirm payment on the Binance platform to notify the seller. This is a critical step. After you confirm payment, the seller will verify receipt of your funds and then release the cryptocurrency to your Binance wallet. This usually happens quickly, but patience is key. Once released, you can check your spot wallet to confirm the funds have arrived. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other fantastic deals we've found for you. Happy trading!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.